What's going on, eighth grade? So, this is your next assignment. About to explain some of the causes of the Civil War. Y'all, you guys, we've kind of already gone over this, but since we're going over the summer, I thought we could just start making sure we get everything right for sure, since we don't have to do M steps. So, the first cause of the Civil War, obviously, was slavery. Slavery was outlawed in these states right here, which are called the Northwest Territory. You guys know about the Northwest Territory, the Great of the West, Michigan, all that stuff right there. Now down here, over here, slavery was still allowed. Always remember that. They still had slaves, but it wasn't as big. They were considered like northern slaves, Frederick Douglass, people that more or less did house slavery. These are the field slaves down here mostly in these states right here. This is a map of the Compromise of 1850, and that started one of the other causes of the Civil War between Kansas and the Missouri line right here, because this is going to become Kansas right here. All right, what's next? Told you guys it's not going to be long. Next one would be economy. This is a map of the free states. These are the slave states. So during the Civil War, these were the southern states that fought. These were our northern states. And these were the border states. And they were called the border states for a reason. That's one of you guys' questions. The election of Abraham Lincoln was another cause of the Civil War. And Abraham Lincoln, literally, his dad, I told you guys this, his dad used to move around a lot because he couldn't find work, because slavery, every time one of his bosses made enough money, they fired him and would get a slave to make extra profits. So he moved around a lot, became a lawyer, became a prominent abolitionist. Being an abolitionist, it means basically that he wanted to end slavery. He wanted to give slaves their freedom so that, it could be a balance between, let's just say, it could be a balance between the poor. So you could have poor blacks and poor whites instead of poor whites and slaves. That way, the poor whites will be able to get more work per se than before when there was slavery. So poor whites were able to get more jobs. After slavery, they were able to get more jobs. They was able to earn more money for their families, build wealth, that type of thing. So these are your 4 questions. Y'all can put these questions in a Word document. Just find a way to upload them to me. Monday, I'll check on them. I'll give y'all one more assignment tomorrow. And then a quiz is to go back over the causes of the Civil War. A quiz that you guys have probably already done, just to get y'all back in the school mindset. These are the first question is, what are the 2 causes of the Civil War? What were 2 other causes of the Civil War? There were a good 9 causes, so you can just look that up on the internet and pick 2 other causes than the ones y'all saw in this PowerPoint. What was the difference between the northern economy and southern economy before the Civil War? A lot of y'all already know that, so that shouldn't be too hard for y'all either. Who population was larger, the North or the South during the Civil War? Like I said, look it up on the internet. It's pretty easy. Know what to say. And what are border states? I just told you guys. I showed you the border states on the map. So look and see what they are. Just give me a definition of what they were, and that'll be your work. Remember to turn it in. Obviously, I'm on the computer from 8:30 to 3:30 every day. I'm about to take a look at you guys student. I'm about to take a look at you guys, how you guys are seeing teams. I'm gonna try to get some stuff done with y'all so y'all can get this technical stuff out the way and help everything run smoother. So these are your 4 questions, and that's about it for me. I'll give y'all another video maybe tomorrow. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be working on my YouTube voice. All right, good luck, guys, and see you again next time.